Kain pa tayo. Ito po pagkain natin ngayon. Chicken legs. Balon-balunan. Atay. At saka ribs. Okay? Aha. Unahin natin balon-balunan. This is called the best. We're gonna deliver. Sarap na ito. Siyempre, hindi mawala ang leg. Okay. Takarib. Okay, that's all. Natikman ko na lahat. Good. Bye-bye. Don't forget, subscribe and like and share, okay? Bye-bye. Thank you.